All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Quant Network. It's been a while since I did a price prediction or a video for this cryptocurrency, so I said let me come in and help support the family and let them know what I think the market's about to do going forward. Now, the question is, do you guys think that the buyers are ready to reclaim $130? Because right now we're trading at $103. So that's pretty far away from where $130 is. Do you think it's going to reach that point? If so, then we're looking pretty good from 103 all the way up to $130. Now, I did a price prediction in Quant Network all the way back here in the beginning of the year, back in January 1st, February 1st. And I was looking for the price to go lower in Quant Network, and I give it to you. You know, from outside of this prediction, initially the market did go higher in Quant Network. It came all the way up here to this seller's pocket up here around 150, but then that's when the market completely collapsed. So maybe I got in a little bit too early, expecting the price in Quant Network to go lower. Maybe I did, but generally, given that the market, when it hit that seller's pocket, would have been around 46.43% versus looking at the low that occurred in the market in Quant Network back here on August the 6th, August the 5th, 50.73%. So there's still a positive note in the sense that we were accurate in our prediction and direction, but timing was off course. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. Next thing that we're going to get rid of are these other pockets of selling right here. We don't need this one, and we definitely don't need this pocket of selling right there neither. We will get rid of this buyer's pocket because the buyers didn't support price, and they definitely didn't support price here neither. So now we're cleaning up the chart. We're cleaning up the mess that the buyers and the sellers did not reclaim, that they didn't hold, and we're going to create new ones. Okay. So let's start off with the pockets of selling first. And here's one pocket of selling here. Here's another pocket of selling here. And here is one right now that Quant Network is getting dinged on. Okay. Now we got those laid out. Let's go ahead and create the pockets of buying. Here's a buyer's pocket there. Let's do another one right here. And there's definitely one all the way down here around 60 bucks, $70. All right, so now let's look at this on the weekly chart first. Okay, the question is, are we bullish? Short answer, yes. How bullish? It all depends, because over the last 2 weeks, we've seen the volume in Quant Network increase massively. So we can tell that even on this weekly price bar, that even though the volume was huge, even though the price closed off the high of that weekly price bar, the demand was still there because the next week price closed higher than the high of the previous week, and it also chipped away at this first seller's pocket. So the market is bullish in Quant Network. The issue is all of these people right here, the one who just experienced this massive drop in price in Quant Network, now they're seeing the price back in their vicinity. They're like, cool, let me go ahead and grab it. Let me go ahead and break even at least off my position because I don't think the market's going to continue to go higher. Here's Quant Network on the 3. Take a look. We're getting a signal already being triggered into the market in Quant Network right there, letting us know, hey, the market is kind of bullish. Maybe we need to expect the market to continue to go higher. But let's pump the brakes because we still got 6 days and 13 hours left. Take a look at Quant on the 5. Getting a signal here again. Here it is on the monthly chart. Another signal. So at least I would say 5-6 days from now, take a look at the monthly chart. Take a look at the 3 weekly chart to see if these signals are still there. Because if so, then the market is still bullish. However, these pockets right here could be an issue for Quant Network though. Okay. Yes, signals are strong. Yes, signals are a big indication as to what the market is aiming to do. But pockets are stronger than that. There's more weight that we need to give to the pockets than to signals. All right. So looking at that, here's Quant Network on 5. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this seller pocket right there. Here's Quant Network on the 4. Here's what it looked like on the 3. The 3 definitely looks like some sellers is coming in the market, closing off the highs. 12 hours, 14 minutes left. What do you guys think? Here it is on the 2. Quant on the daily. Here it is on the 7-hour. Okay. 7-hour chart, we're getting a pocket. 5-hour, you can see it even tighter down here. Here it is on the 3. On the 1-hour. So now I'm going to do this. I think the market and Quant wants to go up. Okay. Now these are our targets. Our first one's going to be around like $109. Give us 9.3% there on the low end of this seller's pocket right here. Second target is going to be up here around 117, which gives us what, 16.9%. Then our third target is going to be at the low of the second seller's pocket, which is 21%, right there at $121. Okay, so now definitely pay attention to the price action in Quant as it tries to break through this pocket, because if you see weakness every time it gets hit, it comes down, then that means that the market is not winning, or at least should I say the buyers are not winning, and it's going to give you a clue that you might need to go ahead and just take the bag and move on to the next opportunity. Okay, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.